Welcome to the SkylandX MetaCam Air 2 Quick Start tutorial. This video covers everything you need to get started, from assembly and scanning to data export. First, slide the scanning module into the battery handle until it clicks. Align the mounting plate with the base socket and tighten the screw. Make sure the module and the plate face the same direction. To power on, give the power button a quick press followed by a long press. A blue indicator light means the device is active. Open the MetaCam Go app, tap Connect Device via Wi-Fi, and select the MetaCam network from your Wi-Fi list. The password is on the device. Once connected, the device icon will light up. Tap Start, then the red Start icon to create a new project. Name the project, hit Confirm, and you're ready to go. Before scanning, the system requires initialization. Follow the on-screen prompts in the app. For a stable initialization, choose a feature-rich area and point the device toward your subject. If possible, place the scanner on an elevated level surface like a table. Avoid initializing in moving crowds, near reflections, or in wide-open areas. You can snap your phone onto the magnetic clip for easy one-handed use. While scanning, walk at a steady pace of under 1 meter per second. Maintain at least half a meter of clearance from walls and reflective surfaces. When finished, tap the stop icon. Wait for the automatic save, then hit Confirm. To power off, use the same quick and long press sequence on the power button. Remove the TF card and transfer the data to your computer using a card reader. Insert the USB dongle, then launch MetaCam Studio to import data and begin post-processing, such as cleaning, registration, and format conversion.